Accounts Teachings by Ramesh Kumar. Practical question on consignment. A of Delhi sent to B of Bombay 2000 cycles at invoice price of rupees 12,000. Goods were invoiced at 20% above cost. A paid rupees 20,000 as freight charges and rupees 10,000 as insurance in transit. B received the cycles and incurred rupees 8,000 as cartage, rupees 6,000 as octroi and rupees 3,000 as go down rent. Due to floods, 10 cycles were destroyed in the go down. Insurance company paid a claim of rupees 3,000. B sold 1900 cycle at rupees 700 per cycle. Half of the cycles were sold on credit. A debtor for rupees 4,000 paid only rupees 3,500 and the balance to him was treated as bad debts. B also accepted a 3-month BR for rupees 40,000 as advance payment and A discounted it at 8% discount. B was allowed 10% normal commission, 2% as Delcredier commission and 1% overriding commission on total sales. Show the ledger accounts in the books of both the. Now we are starting ledger accounts in the books of consignor, that is A. The first ledger account is consignment account. In consignment account, 2 goods sent on consignment, 12 lakh. Since invoice price of the goods is given and for loading it is 20% on cost price. That is, if the cost price is 100, excess is 20, that is loading, then the total invoice price would be 120. The loading is 20 upon 120. When cost price is given and loading is on, when invoice price is given and loading is on cost, then loading we calculate invoice price into rate upon rate plus 100. But if cost price is given and loading is also on cost, there is no difficulty. That is, on straightway we can calculate loading cost price into rate upon 100. Similarly, invoice price is given and loading is also on invoice price. Then you can make 20 upon 100. If cost price is given and loading is on invoice price, then we will presume invoice price 100, loading 20, cost price 80. So on 80 we will calculate, on 80 it is 20, on 1, 20 upon 80 and on whatever car price is given. Here loading is given on cost price and we are given invoice price. So buy goods sent on consignment, loading would be 12 lakh into 20 upon 120. That is 1 by 6, 2 lakh. Then we are having expenses of consignor to cash or bank. You can write anything. Total is expenses are 30,000. Then we are having expenses of B. 8,000 is cartage, 6,000 is octroi, and 3,000 are go down charges. Cartage and octroi, they are direct expenses. But go down rent is indirect expenses. Any expenses incurred after goods reach to the go down of consignee, those expenses incurred by consignee are called indirect expenses. He may pay salaries to his salesmen. He may pay commission to his agents. They are all indirect expenses. So here cartage 8,000, octroi 6,000 is direct expenses. But go down rent 3,000 is indirect. 2B expenses 17,000 total. Now he has sold 1900 cycles at rupees 700 per cycle. So by B says 1900 into 700, 13 lakh 30,000. Then he is to be allowed commission, 10% normal commission, 2% del creditor commission, and 1% overriding commission. Del creditor commission is given to hold him responsible for bad debts. That is, he will have to bear the loss of bad debts. And overriding commission is given when he sells goods more than the agreed one. On that he is given extra commission, that is del creditor commission. So he is giving 10% normal commission, 2% del creditor commission, and 1% override, total 13%. So on lakh 13 lakh 30,000 says he is getting 13% commission, that is 1 lakh 72,900 to be commission. Then he has a abnormal loss. 10 cycles due to flood were destroyed in his go down. So how we have to work out the value of 10 cycles? We have to work out at cost price of 10 cycles. Since in the question we are given invoice price of 2000 cycle, invoice price is 12,000, of 1 and of 10 it comes 6,000. Now less loading would be 6,000 into 20 upon 120, that is 1,000. From 6,000 we will subtract 1,000, the remaining would be the cost price of 10 cycles. Add proportionate expenses of consignor, 30,000 upon 2,000 into 10, 5, that is 150. Then add proportionate direct expenses of consignor. Consignor has paid 8,000 as cartage, 6,000 as octroi, that is state tax. 14,000 he has paid, the 14,000 are his direct expenses. The 14,000 upon 2,000 into 10, how much it comes? 70. The total abnormal loss comes 5,220. This has been the loss in consignees go down. Since he recovered 3,000 from the insurance company, the remaining 2,220 would be the abnormal loss. So by B, Insurance company, he recovered from insurance company. By B, we will give him credit 3000. By abnormal loss, 2220. Since this loss is not recurring nature, therefore we cannot show as a consignment loss. We are showing on the credit side of consignment account. Then the consignee has given a BR of 40,000, which has been discounted. The BR was for 3 months and discount rate is 8%. On 40,000 for 3 months at 8%. How much it comes? 800. The 2 BR, that is discount, 800. Then we have to calculate consignment stock. Total cycle sent to consignee was 12,000. 2,000. Out of that, 1,900 is sold. 10 cycles are lost in his go down. So therefore, how many cycles are left with him? He is left with him 90 cycles. So first we are invoice price of 90 cycles. Of 2000 it is 12,000. Of 90, of 2000 it is 12 lakh. Of 90 it comes 54,000. Add proportionate expenses of consignor. 30,000 upon 2000 into 90, 1350. Add proportionate direct expenses of consignee. 14,000 upon 2000 into 90, 630. The total is coming 55,980. So by consignment stock 55,980. Now since 55,980 is including a loading, because we have shown the invoice value of closing stock. Therefore, on 54,000, when we calculate loading, 54,000 into 20 upon 120, 1 by 6, that is 9,000. Then the total of credit side is coming 15,91,200. When we'll take to debit side 15,91,200 to profit and loss account 1,60,500. Then the other ledger in the books of consignor, that is a goods sent on consignment account. In consignment we are writing two goods sent on consignment. In goods sent on consignment we will write by consignment 12 lakh. Then on the credit side we find by goods sent on consignment 2 lakh. On its debit side we will write to consignment 2 lakh. Credit side total is 12 lakh, debit side total 12 lakh, to trading account 10 lakh. Then B's account. First we will refer to consignment account. In consignment account on credit side we find by B, sales. So in B's account on the debit side we will write to consignment 13,30,000. Then by B again 3,000 for insurance. To consignment on the debit side dash insurance 3,000. Now in B's account on the credit side by BR, he has given advance of 40,000. Then by consignment commission, how much commission is getting? 1,72,900. Then by consignee expenses 17,000. By bank balance 11,03,100. Total of both sides is coming 13,33,000, 13,33,000. Now the next ledger which we can have in consignor book, goods sent on consignment stock account. In consignment stock account, on the credit side consignment account, we find consignment stock. The two consignment 55,980, and on the debit side we find loading. So buy consignment 9,000, buy trading account 46,980. These were the ledger in the books of consignor A. Now in the books of B, we have to prepare A's account. A's account would be reverse of B's account, which we are having there. Now in B account, we are finding on the debit side 13,30,000. Here we will put on the credit side buy bank 6,65,000, buy debtors 6,65,000, because in the books of consignee, bank account debit, debtors account debit to A. He has received 3,000 from insurance company, buy bank 3,000. He has accepted bill for 40,000, to BP accepted. To commission, it is his income. So therefore he will have A debit to commission 1,72,900. To bank, how much expenses he has incurred? 17,000. Then the balance to bank 11,03,100. To bank, both side total is 13,33,000. Then commission account. On the credit side, buy A 1,72,900. To bad debts 800, because they sold the goods for 4,000 and 3,200 they could recover. So 2 P&L 1,72,100, 1,72,900 both sides. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. I request you that you also share with your other friends so that they can take the advantage of it. Kindly like, share and subscribe it. I request you again.